And everything I've done, the classes with the counseling, they made me do it like 3 times. And then I did it a 4th time voluntarily. And still nothing is good enough with my diplomas or anything. And I passed and successfully did everything.
I'm attorney Vince Davis. I'm with my hosts, attorney Jennifer Ani and Miss G, Georgette Truan, social media influencer, all about all things CPS. Ladies, this is The Secret, How to Fight CPS and Win. I'm going to take another call right now. We're going to talk to Megan from Colorado. Megan, did you have a story to tell or a question to ask? All right, did we lose Megan from Colorado?
Yeah, no Megan.
No Megan. Okay, let's go to Emma from California. Emma, did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
Yes, hi. I had both, actually, a story to tell and a question. Okay, now I'm to the point to where I'm getting frustrated because the social workers have been lying about stuff, and every court date, they seem to like put something into the paperwork that's not true or that never happened. And I don't know why the judge like agrees with everything that's pretty much going on. And it's like they took my kids in August of 2019, and everything I've done, the classes with the counseling, they made me do it like 3 times. And then I did it a 4th time voluntarily. And still nothing is good enough with my diplomas or anything. And I passed and successfully did everything. And then now, since they're saying that I moved, which they wanted me to get my own place, and now they're saying, okay, I'm unstable again. And we're worried about this keep going ongoing because I move a lot, and that's not true. I haven't been moving a lot. It's just that now I decided to get my own place, which is what they kind of wanted anyway, and the job and everything. And they're still saying the same thing that they took off the report that they were saying before. And then I know my social worker, she says that, like, out of the blue things, like she called my son a thug one time. And then she also said that, well, when we do the visits, we're going to do this just like a drug exchange. You know, she'll say stuff like that, and I'm not understanding why is this lady like that. I don't disrespect her when I talk to her, even though I don't like how she lied on me. And it's just a whole bunch of things. Like, I'm not understanding. After the first of the case, they said that they were going to keep my kids for 6 months. Then it went on to the 12 months, then the 18 months, and now they're saying that they're going to adopt them. And I don't see how they can get away with that when I've done everything. So that's what I have a question. It's July 21st, and I don't understand why would they want to adopt someone's child. And when a parent done everything, and I go to all of my visits, and I'm willingly want to be involved with my kids.
Okay, Emma, whoever's talking in the background, please ask him to stop, okay?
Yes, okay.
Jennifer,
Okay.
Do you have any comments regarding Emma's questions?
Well, unfortunately, we hear this an awful lot, that once the case gets to a certain point, it seems almost as if the social workers have given up. And I just can't underscore your point too much, that you have to contest these hearings and you have to file motions and put people on the stand, cross-examine the social worker, and tell the judge what you've just told us.
Okay.
Emma, the other thing,
okay,
you're going to have to, I don't know if you heard the last caller and what I was telling the caller, and that was, you know, you probably shouldn't talk to the social worker without your attorney. Now, I
Okay.
want you to understand something. I'm not telling you you shouldn't talk to the social worker at all. I said you shouldn't talk to the social worker without your lawyer. Okay?
Right.
Because, she's not going to tell you, stuff like she's been saying if your lawyer's on the phone with you or they're in person with you. She's telling you that kind of, SHIT because she figures that she's better than you and you can't do anything about it. It's kind of in my mind, a lot of times, it's kind of a power game,
Yes.
Because
they
parents.
told me one time that they were, right. They told me one time that they have more power than the police. And then, like she just says a lot of stuff about my kids, and my kids is uncomfortable when she comes out to, talk with them too, because I hear a lot of different things from them also. And like she's there every time just like you said, don't talk to her without a lawyer. And it's true, because every time I notice that I never call her unless I have to. Like if I have a question, that's the only time I ever call her. And then every time I do call her, she puts something into the conversation that I did not say on paper. And I'm like, wow, this needs to stop, because it keeps going. This is getting really out of hand.
But it's not going to stop. That's why you need your lawyer on the phone, at least on the phone, if can't be in present,
and
so that they
with
can
that,
control that type of stuff.
Public.
What?
Yeah, but they never call me. Just like the other, the last two callers said, I don't have one. It's like I have one, but then I don't have one, because I don't know why, but they never return my calls until like the day or two before court. And I leave several voicemails. I give her a day or two to call me back, and then there's no call back. So I don't have any lawyers or public defenders or anything. I don't have anybody to represent me, and I can't afford it. So I'm pretty much stuck in limbo.
Is your case in Southern California?
Yes.
Okay. Is it in Los Angeles County?
No, it's San Bernardino County.
Okay. But we're there all the time anyway. Listen, this is what I want you to do, okay? Do this tomorrow or on Monday. I want you to call my office and ask for Georgette. Okay?
Georgette?
Uh-huh.
Let me find my pen, because it's kind of dark in here.
Okay. But I have to keep going because we're moving into another commercial. I want you to call my office, ask to speak to Georgette. Georgette's going to find out about your case, okay? And we're going to see if we can help you. All right?
Okay. Thank you.
888-888-6582.
Okay, got it.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and hopefully we'll be able to help you somehow. All right, Emma? Thank you for calling.
Thank you.
Call us back in 3 or 4 weeks. Give us an update on what's going on. But I certainly appreciate you listening to the show and calling in. All right, folks.
Thank you.
This is The Secret, How to Fight CPS and Win. We're going to have to take a commercial break right now, but we'll be back right after these messages.